In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Spotify app on your iPhone. So the first thing we can do is head to our App Store, and you want to go to your profile at the top right-hand corner, and then you want to go to App Updates. This is going to show you all of the apps that are on your phone and if they need updating or not. As you see, I do have some updated recently apps, including my Spotify. But if it's not here, what we can do is back out of here. And let's go to the search bar at the bottom right-hand corner and go ahead and type in Spotify. Go ahead and click on Spotify, and then go ahead and click on Spotify again, and you're here at the homepage for Spotify. Sometimes it will say update here, so it's important to make sure that you check this as well. But if those things aren't there and you still want to update, maybe you're missing a feature and you just want to update your Spotify app no matter what we can do is come out of here. And we're going to go to our settings and then go down to general and then go down to iPhone storage. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and find our Spotify app, or we can just type it in, no big deal. And then what we can do is actually offload the app. So go ahead and click offload app. Go ahead and click offload. It's going to get rid of back data, cache, things like that, and then it's going to give us an option to reinstall the app. So go ahead and click on reinstall app, and what that is going to do is it's going to force Apple to give us the newest version of Spotify that it possibly can. And that's pretty much it. So there's a couple things you can check, and if those don't say update or an update is quote unquote not available, you can always do this method and offload the app and reinstall it for the newest version of any app that you